Right now, artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency are colliding in ways that most people have not even heard about yet. AI agents, autonomous software programs that can think, trade, and execute strategies on their own, are quietly generating massive returns in the crypto markets. Some of these systems are managing millions of dollars in assets. Others are earning passive income by sharing computing power or harvesting data. And the people behind them? Many of them started with nothing more than a laptop and curiosity. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now, in 2026. But before we dive in, let me be absolutely clear. This video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Crypto is extremely volatile, and you can lose your entire investment. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research before putting any money at risk. In this video, I am going to break down the 5 most interesting ways that AI and crypto are merging to create new income opportunities. For each one, I will explain how it works, what kind of returns some people are reporting, what the real risks are, and how you can learn more. I want to emphasize, these are not guaranteed moneymakers. Crypto markets are unpredictable, protocols can fail, and regulations are constantly changing. I am sharing what I have found through research and personal exploration, not making promises. If you are new here, I cover AI tools and emerging technology every week. Subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss the next one. Let us get into it. Starting at number 5, AI-powered trading bots. These are automated systems that use machine learning to analyze market data and execute trades without human intervention. The technology has gotten remarkably sophisticated. Modern AI trading bots can process thousands of data points per second, identify patterns across multiple exchanges, and execute trades in milliseconds. Some popular approaches include dollar-cost averaging bots, which automatically buy at regular intervals to reduce the impact of volatility. Grid trading bots that profit from price oscillations within a defined range. And copy trading platforms where you can mirror the strategies of successful AI traders. Now here is the important caveat. Trading bots can and do lose money. Markets can move against any strategy, and past performance of any bot is absolutely no guarantee of future results. Some people report consistent returns, but others experience significant losses. The crypto market is inherently unpredictable. If you are interested in this space, start with paper trading, which means simulated trades with no real money at risk. Learn how the algorithms work before committing any capital. And never, ever invest more than you can afford to lose completely. Number 4, decentralized GPU and compute networks. This is where things get really interesting from a technology perspective. Projects like Render Network, Akash, and Bittensor are building decentralized marketplaces for computing power. The concept is straightforward. AI models need enormous amounts of computing power to train and run. Traditionally, this computing power comes from centralized cloud providers. But decentralized networks allow anyone with a capable GPU to contribute their processing power and earn tokens in return. Render Network focuses on GPU rendering for graphics and AI workloads. Node operators share their idle GPU capacity and earn RNDR tokens. Akash Network is building an open marketplace for cloud computing, often at a fraction of the cost of traditional providers. And Bittensor is creating a decentralized network specifically for AI, where miners contribute machine learning models and earn TAO tokens based on the quality of their contributions. Some node operators report earning meaningful returns by dedicating hardware to these networks. However, the economics depend heavily on token prices, which are volatile, hardware costs, electricity expenses, and network demand. There is also technical complexity in setting up and maintaining nodes. This is not plug-and-play income. It requires technical knowledge, upfront hardware investment, and ongoing maintenance. The token rewards can fluctuate significantly. Number 3, AI agents as revenue generators. This is probably the most futuristic category on the list. Projects like Virtual's Protocol are creating platforms where AI agents can be tokenized, meaning they have their own crypto tokens that represent ownership or revenue sharing. The idea is that an AI agent performs valuable work, like market analysis, content creation, or trading, and the revenue it generates flows back to token holders. AIXBT is one example, an AI agent that analyzes crypto markets and shares insights. Some of these tokenized agents have generated significant attention and trading volume. However, this space is extremely early and speculative. Many of these projects are experimental, and the regulatory landscape is completely unclear. Token prices for AI agent projects have been wildly volatile, with some seeing massive gains followed by equally dramatic crashes. The technology is genuinely fascinating, and there are real innovations happening. But from an investment perspective, this is about as high risk as it gets in crypto. Most of these tokens could go to zero. Treat any exposure as purely speculative, and only participate with money you are completely prepared to lose. Quick pause. We are 3 methods in, and you can see the pattern. The intersection of AI and crypto is creating genuinely novel opportunities, but every single one comes with real risk. Nothing in this space is guaranteed. If this kind of analysis is useful to you, hit that like button. It helps the algorithm share this video with others who are researching this space. The next 2 methods are particularly interesting. Number 1 involves some of the most established protocols in DeFi. Stick around for that. Alright, the final 2. These methods involve more established protocols and arguably have the most interesting risk-reward profiles. But again, crypto is crypto. Volatility, smart contract risk, and regulatory uncertainty apply to everything in this space. Number 2, AI-powered data harvesting and DePIN networks. DePIN stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks, and it is one of the fastest-growing categories in crypto. The basic idea is that you contribute a physical resource, like bandwidth, storage, or sensor data, to a decentralized network and earn tokens in return. Grass is one of the most talked-about projects in this category. It allows users to share their unused internet bandwidth, and AI companies use that bandwidth for web scraping and data collection. Users earn Grass tokens for their contribution. Sahara AI is building a decentralized data marketplace where people can contribute and monetize their data for AI training. The appeal of these networks is that the barrier to entry is very low. For something like Grass, you just install a browser extension and share bandwidth you are not using. The earning potential per individual user is typically modest, but the concept of getting paid for resources you are not using is compelling. The risks here include token price volatility, since your earnings are in tokens that can lose value quickly. There are also questions about the long-term sustainability of token rewards and privacy considerations around sharing your bandwidth or data. Make sure you understand exactly what data or resources you are sharing before participating. And the number 1 most interesting intersection of AI and crypto right now, AI-powered decentralized finance, or DeFi. This is where artificial intelligence meets the most established sector of crypto. Projects like Near Protocol and Injective are integrating AI capabilities directly into their DeFi platforms. The concept is that AI agents can execute complex financial strategies across decentralized exchanges, lending protocols, and yield farming opportunities far more efficiently than any human could. AI can monitor hundreds of liquidity pools simultaneously, identify arbitrage opportunities in milliseconds, automatically rebalance portfolios based on market conditions, and optimize yield farming strategies across multiple protocols. Some DeFi protocols are now offering AI-managed vaults where you deposit assets, and an AI agent actively manages the strategy. The total value locked in AI-enhanced DeFi protocols has been growing steadily. However, this combines 2 of the riskiest areas in all of finance. DeFi smart contracts can have bugs or vulnerabilities. AI strategies can make mistakes, especially in unprecedented market conditions. And the crypto market itself is inherently volatile. We have seen major DeFi protocols fail, resulting in complete loss of deposited assets. That risk does not disappear just because AI is involved. If anything, The complexity of AI-managed strategies can make it harder to understand what is happening with your money. Start small if you explore this space. Use only well-audited protocols, and never deposit more than you are willing to lose entirely. The technology is genuinely impressive, but the risks are real and significant. So there you have it. 5 fascinating ways that AI and cryptocurrency are merging in 2026. Let me recap. Number 5, AI trading bots for automated market strategies. Number 4, decentralized GPU networks like Render, Akash, and Bittensor where you earn tokens for computing power. Number 3, tokenized AI agents through platforms like Virtual's protocol. Number 2, depend data harvesting networks like Grass and Sahara AI. And number 1, AI-powered DeFi strategies on protocols like DYOR and Injective. I want to repeat the most important thing from this entire video. None of this is financial advice. Every single method carries real risk, including the risk of total loss. Crypto markets are volatile, regulations are evolving, and many of these projects are experimental. If you choose to explore any of these areas, start with education, not investment. Paper trade. Read the documentation. Join the communities. Understand the risks before committing any capital. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 areas do you find most interesting from a technology perspective? Are you already exploring any of these methods? Drop a comment and share your experience. The best way to learn is from each other. If you found this analysis valuable, subscribe and hit the bell. I cover AI tools, crypto developments, and emerging technology every Tuesday and Thursday. And remember, always do your own research. Never invest based on a single video. This is educational content, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.